Hi everyone, let's make this easy egg fried rice with bell peppers. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys because it's so delicious, it's easy to make, and it's ready in less than 30 minutes. So if you're ready, let's start cooking. I have here 5 eggs and I'm going to be seasoning them with some black pepper and some salt, and I'll just whisk everything to combine. Then I'll add some cooking oil into my pan. I'll pour the eggs and then scramble on low heat because you know the best scrambled eggs are cooked low and slow, so you have to be patient. And once the eggs are ready, I'll take them out of the pan. Now that my eggs are ready, into that same pan I'm going to be adding some cooking oil. I'll toss in some chopped onions and some minced garlic and ginger, and I'm going to fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the onions become fragrant. After about 2 minutes, I'll be adding some chopped habanero peppers. I'll have all the ingredients for this recipe listed in the description box down below, so you can check that out much later. And if you're still watching and haven't already given the video a thumbs up, please do so, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. After a couple of minutes, I'll be adding some diced green and red bell peppers, some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, some curry powder, 2 seasoning cubes and some salt, and I'll give this all a really good mix to make sure all the flavors are well combined. And I'm just going to give this about 2 minutes to cook on medium heat. Now this recipe is so easy to make, it's ready in less than 30 minutes and it's really delicious. And for me, this recipe is a lifesaver, especially when I have leftover rice. And one thing I always have in my fridge is some eggs and bell peppers, and you are ready to go. And this just means that lunch or dinner will be ready in minutes. Next, I'm going to be adding some leftover rice. You can use any type of rice for this recipe, and remember it's best to use leftover rice for stir-fried recipes. But if you don't have leftover rice, you can just cook your rice and let it cool before stir-frying it. All I need to do right now is to stir, but I decided to add a little more rice to get the right ratio that I wanted. Now make sure to fry your rice because this gives your rice a nice flavor and texture, and you'll notice the difference in the taste of your rice. Just fry your rice until there are no clumps and you begin to hear some light popping sounds from the rice toasting. At this point, I tasted the rice and realized it needed just a little more salt, which I just added. So I continued stirring, and on the whole, I fried this rice for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium to high heat while constantly stirring. In goes the scrambled egg, which is the last ingredient for this recipe, and I'm just going to bring it all together by combining on low heat. And as you can see, the recipe is really easy to put together. Everyone is going to love it. You can also customize this recipe to your taste. It is a great way to use up leftovers you have in your fridge, and I hope you give this recipe a try. And in case you do, please let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. I really love to hear from you. So now this looks good and ready to be served. So that's basically it, guys, and that's all for today's recipe. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already done so, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.